Wait. So you walked into the interview, they smiled, asked, "Tell me about yourself," and you said, "I am fine, thank you?"
No way! Did that really happen?
Yes, a student told me this story last week, and you know what? The interviewer just stared at him. Total silence. So awkward.
Oh no!
But here's the thing. It's not his fault. Nobody teaches us how to answer this question properly. And guess what? Today, we're going to fix that. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself." No more awkward silence, no more panic, just confident, natural English. Ready?
Let's do it! Hey everyone! Thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Thank you, Max. And hello to all of you beautiful learners out there. We're so happy you're here.
Today's topic is super important. We're talking about the question, tell me about yourself. This question comes up everywhere. Job interviews, meeting new friends, first day of school, even dates.
Exactly. And most people freeze when they hear it. They think, wait, what do I say? Where do I start? Do I talk about my childhood, my favorite food, my dog?
Right. So today, we'll teach you a simple formula, a step-by-step way to answer this question like a pro. You'll sound confident, natural, and interesting.
And by the end, you'll have a perfect answer ready to go. No memorizing long scripts, just simple, easy English that works every time.
Okay, let's jump in.
So, Max, why do you think this question is so scary for learners?
I think it's because the question is so open. It's like, where do I even start? Do I talk about my job, my hobbies, my family?
Exactly. The question feels too big. And in many cultures, people aren't used to talking about themselves. It feels like bragging, right?
Yes, in some countries, if you talk too much about yourself, people think you're rude or too confident.
Right. But in English-speaking cultures, this question is normal. It's not bragging. It's just sharing a little bit about who you are. It's friendly.
So the first thing to understand is this question is not a test. It's an invitation. The person wants to know you. They want to connect with you.
Love that. It's not a test. It's an invitation. Write that down, everyone.
Okay, so let's break it down. What should you include in your answer?
Great question. Here's the simple formula. Are you ready? There are 3 parts.
3 parts. Nice and easy.
Part 1, who you are right now. Part 2, your background or experience. Part 3, why you're here or what you want.
That's it. 3 parts. Let's explain each one.
Okay, part 1, who you are right now. This is your present situation. It's simple. You can say your name, your job, or what you're studying.
For example, hi, I'm Max. I'm an English teacher. Or, hi, I'm Lily. I'm a content creator.
Perfect. Keep it short, 1 or 2 sentences. Don't overthink it.
Now, part 2, your background. This is where you share a little bit about your past. Where are you from? What did you study? What experience do you have?
For example, I'm originally from Canada and I studied education at university. Or, I grew up in a small town and I've always loved teaching.
Nice. Again, keep it short. 2 or 3 sentences is enough.
And finally, part 3, why you're here or what you want. This is about the future or your goal. Why are you in this situation? What are you looking for?
For example, in a job interview, you might say, I'm really excited about this position because I love working with people. Or in a class, I'm here to improve my English so I can travel the world.
Perfect. So let's put it all together. Here's a full example.
Okay, imagine I'm in a job interview. Here's my answer. Hi, I'm Max. I'm an English teacher with 5 years of experience. I'm originally from Canada and I studied education at university. I'm really excited about this position because I love helping people improve their communication skills.
Yes, that was perfect. Did you hear how smooth that was?
Thank you. It's all about the formula. Present, past, future. Done.
Exactly. Now let me try one. Imagine I'm at a networking event. Here's my answer. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm a content creator and English coach. I'm originally from the UK, and I've been teaching English online for 3 years. I'm here today to meet new people and share ideas about education.
Beautiful. You nailed it.
See how easy that was? You don't need to say everything about your life, just the highlights, the important stuff.
Okay, quick pause. Most learners make one big mistake when answering this question. Do you know what it is?
Ooh, I know this one. They talk too much, right?
Exactly. They start talking and talking and talking, and the other person gets bored.
Yes, I've seen this happen. Someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," and the person gives their entire life story. 20 minutes later, they're still talking.
Right. So here's the rule. Keep your answer between 30 seconds and 1 minute. That's it.
30 seconds to 1 minute. Perfect. That's long enough to share important information, but short enough to stay interesting.
Exactly. If the person wants to know more, they'll ask follow-up questions. That's how conversations work.
Love it. Okay, let's keep going.
All right, so we've covered the formula. Now let's talk about common mistakes. What should you not say?
Okay, mistake number 1, starting with "my name is" in a super formal way.
Wait, what's wrong with that?
Nothing is wrong with it, but it sounds a bit stiff. In casual situations, it's more natural to say, "Hi, I'm Lily," or "Hey, I'm Max."
Ah, I see. So, my name is Lily sounds very formal. It's okay for very formal situations, like a presentation, but in normal conversation, just say I'm Lily.
Exactly. Keep it simple and friendly.
Okay, mistake number 2, sharing too much personal information.
Yes. For example, don't start talking about your health problems, your relationship drama, or your financial troubles.
Right, save that stuff for your close friends.
Exactly. When someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," they want to know professional or general information, not your deepest secrets.
Good point. Okay, mistake number 3, being too negative.
Oh, this is a big one. Don't say things like, "I'm not very good at anything," or "I don't have much experience."
Right. Even if you're nervous, stay positive. Focus on what you can do, not what you can't.
For example, instead of saying, "I'm not good at English," say, "I'm working hard to improve my English."
Yes, that's so much better. It's positive and shows growth.
Okay, mistake number 4, memorizing a script word for word.
Ooh, yes, I see this a lot. Students memorize a perfect answer, but then they sound like robots when they say it.
Hello, my name is Lily. I am from the UK.
Exactly. Don't do that. It's better to sound natural and make small mistakes than to sound like a robot.
Right. Practice your answer, but don't memorize every single word. Just remember the main points.
Okay, last mistake, forgetting to smile and make eye contact.
Yes, this is so important. Your body language matters. Even if your English isn't perfect, a smile and good eye contact make you seem confident and friendly.
Absolutely. People connect with your energy, not just your words.
All right, it's time to practice. We're going to give you 3 different situations. After each one, we'll pause, and you can say your answer out loud. Ready?
Okay, situation number 1, you're at a job interview for a customer service position. The interviewer says, "Tell me about yourself." What do you say?
Okay, here's an answer. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm a customer service professional with 2 years of experience. I love helping people solve problems. I'm excited about this role because I enjoy working in fast-paced environments.
Nice. Did you try it? Go ahead and say it out loud. It's okay if it's not perfect, just try.
Okay, Situation number 2, you're at a social event, like a party or a meetup. Someone new walks up to you and says, "Hi, tell me about yourself."
What do you say? Here's an example. Hey, I'm Max. I'm from Canada, but I live here now. I work in education, and I love trying new restaurants. How about you?
Perfect. Notice how I added a question at the end? That's a great way to keep the conversation going.
Yes, always end with a question if you can. It shows you're interested in the other person.
Okay, last one. Situation number 3, you're starting a new online course and the teacher asks everyone to introduce themselves. Tell me about yourself, they say.
What do you say? Example answer. Hi everyone, I'm Max. I'm a graphic designer from Brazil. I'm taking this course to improve my skills and learn new techniques. I'm really excited to be here.
Awesome. Did you try it? Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just practice speaking out loud. That's how you get better.
Okay, everyone, stay with us because we're about to give you one bonus tip that most people forget. This tip will make your answer 10 times better. Don't go anywhere.
Ooh, I love bonus tips.
All right, here's the bonus tip. Add one interesting detail.
What do you mean?
So after you give your basic answer, present, past, future, add one small interesting fact about yourself, something unique or memorable.
Ooh, like what?
For example, you could say, in my free time, I love painting, or I speak 3 languages, or I recently climbed a mountain.
Ah, I see. It makes you more interesting. It gives the other person something to remember you by.
Exactly. It's like a little hook. People love interesting details.
Okay, let me try. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm a content creator and English coach. I'm originally from the UK, and I've been teaching online for 3 years. In my free time, I love baking cakes. I made a 5-layer cake last week.
Perfect. Now I want to know more about that cake.
See, that's the point. You give them something to ask about. It starts a conversation.
Exactly. So everyone, think of one interesting detail about yourself. It could be a hobby, a talent, a fun fact, anything.
And don't be shy. Share it. People love learning about you.
All right, so here's your homework. Yes, homework.
Oh no.
Don't worry, it's easy. I want you to write your own answer to tell me about yourself. Use the 3-part formula, present, past, future, and add one interesting detail.
Then practice saying it out loud. Say it in front of a mirror, say it to a friend, say it to your dog. Just practice.
Yes, practice makes perfect. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just be yourself.
That's the most important thing. Be yourself, be confident, and speak from the heart.
All right, everyone, we're almost at the end. But before we go, I just want to say you're doing amazing.
Yes, learning a new language is hard, but you're here, you're listening, you're trying. That's what matters.
And remember, making mistakes is okay. Every mistake is a step forward.
Exactly. So don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Just keep practicing, keep speaking, keep learning.
And we'll be here every step of the way to help you.
Now, we want to hear from you. Go to the comments and tell us, what's one interesting detail about you? What makes you unique?
Yeah, share with us. We read every single comment and we love getting to know you.
And if you found this episode helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more learners like you.
Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We post new lessons every week and you don't want to miss them.
Next time, we're going to talk about how to answer another tricky question. What are your strengths and weaknesses? It's a tough one, but we'll make it easy for you.
Oh yes, that's a good one, so make sure you come back for that.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening today. We appreciate you, we believe in you, and we can't wait to see you in the next episode.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.